Hey all, it's ProHumai here, and yep, directly recording after the last video of the explanation of the series. So 1 pack a day. So 58 is, if you wanted to continuity check, 58 is the last number there, and 68. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 8, so 70, 69, 68 is this blue one. So, I should have showed in the previous one what happened. So that is the sealed Evolving Skies. So, none of this extra stuff, which will be gone next video. So, let's open pack and take the code card out, put it aside because I want to use the code card myself. And it's the energy card, and I'm just doing the guess energy like Leonhardt does, and I'm going to go for fire. Grass. So Pikachu, Seedot, Lillipup, Bagon, Lilito, Snowleaf Badge, Gordy, Zawillis, I don't know how to say that, Rubber Gloves, and Drampa. So nothing today, so I will go. So that's a Evolving Skies, but I will put a Brilliant Stars in the mix. So once again, 68, so it was in this row, so I'm just gonna change the order, and your keen eyes will, if you track it, 68 was at turquoise, and it's going in. I just want to put them back in the same slot. So once again, I got nothing. That's it. And crap, I didn't realise that, but the code will be used when this video is up, so why did I even hide it? So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and check out the video tomorrow.